Today we are going to prepare together pasta frittatas, a typical dish of Neapolitan cuisine, ideal as an appetizer or as a tasty snack. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need 250 grams of short pasta, 200 grams of thick bechamel sauce, 100 grams of diced cooked ham, 100 grams of peas, also frozen, 100 grams of mozzarella or smoked provola cheese, 2 eggs for breading, breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, and oil for frying. Cook the pasta in abundant salted water according to the instructions on the package, but drain it 2-3 minutes before the recommended time to keep it al dente. In a pan, sauté the peas with a drizzle of oil and, if necessary, add a bit of water until cooked. Prepare the bechamel, or use the ready-made one, making it thicker with the addition of grated Parmesan cheese. Then let it cool down. Mix in a bowl the pasta with the bechamel, diced cooked ham, peas, diced mozzarella, or smoked provola cheese, salt and pepper, until you obtain a homogeneous mixture. Take portions of the mixture, shape them into balls or cylinders, and first dip them in the beaten eggs and then roll them in breadcrumbs to bread them well. In a deep frying pan, heat a generous amount of oil and, when it is very hot, fry the pasta frittatas until they become golden and crispy. Drain the frittatas on paper towels to remove the excess oil and serve them hot. The pasta frittatas have humble origins and were born as a way to reuse leftovers of pasta and bechamel. Over time, they have become a must in the menus of bars and fry shops, especially in Naples, often served in a mini version for a tasty street food. The frittatas can vary in ingredients. Some like to add mushrooms or replace the cooked ham with salami, creating a new taste experience every time. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming recipes and culinary discoveries. Visit our website to explore a wide range of recipes and tips to bring magic to your kitchen.
Silenzi circuitani, il mondo non vede, cammino da solo, nella notte.